Hello everyone, today's video we are tying this edge wrap. So it's very simple, it's a very simple one guys. So you just get your material, get your rubber band, get elastic band, get your office pin, and let's do this together. So when you get your material, divide it into 2 equal parts and put it down at the middle like this. Then you are going to be securing it with your elastic band at the middle like that. So divide it into 2 equal parts. So guys, I will urge you to focus your eyes and watch this video so that you get step by step on how to achieve this, and it's going to be very easy while you are doing yours as well. So guys, after dividing it at the middle into 2 equal parts with my elastic band, you just place it on your head right like this, and you're going to cover the middle up. If you have your hair very beautiful and you feel like you want to show it, you might decide not to cover it up at the center, at the middle I mean. So at the back you just you just tie it like that. Just focus your eyes, so if you miss my explanation you're gonna get it while watching it. Okay, so just cross it and tie it at the back like that. Then you push the excess that I have for both to the front. While doing that, I'm trying to cover my middle because my hair is rough, so I want it to cover up. Then after covering it, I use my office pin to secure particular place, right? So guys, when I'm done with that, where I knot, I still have excess, so I brought it forward, and look at the way I'll be doing it. I'll just be pleating the excess down. I'll be pleating it, but before that I'm trying to adjust the front. So I pick one of the excess here and I pleat it down. Guys, you need to watch this video to the end so that you can get how it is being done, and you're going to see the beauty of the gele. If you haven't followed my page, please do that. Click on the follow button and follow this page for more edge wrap tutorials. Give the video a thumbs up and do share my video to other people who will need to learn edge wrap. Okay, so it is DIY thing. You can do this yourself. You don't have to start running up and down before you can get your gele tie. So that is the essence of this platform. Alright, so you can join us and let's learn together. So guys, after I pleated it, I dipped it into that rubber band and I brought it out again. So I'm doing the same thing to the other part where I pleated and I dip it into the rubber band. So guys, all you need to do here is the one you left first, you just raise it up like this and you press it from that edge, then you press down. If my explanation is not alright enough, all you need to do is just focus your eyes and watch the video from beginning to the end. Focus and put your mind. You're gonna do this yourself and achieve it within a twinkle of an eye. Alright, so the one you dropped at the front, you just pick it up and you round it up like you are making a rose. As at when I'm doing this voice over, there is a heavy downpour, that is rain. So if you are hearing noise in the background, that is the sound of the rain. So it is nature and there is nothing we can do to that. So manage this video like that if the sound is not coming out well. So guys, you have focused your eyes and you have seen how I achieved that rose at the front. Just focus and focus where you are going to get it. So I'm placing that there and I'll be tacking it down with my office pin as well. Please, if you have watched this length and you haven't followed my page, you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do by clicking on the subscribe button, follow the button below. Do like and share this and leave your comment behind because I would like to hear from you. What do you feel about this edge wrap? I feel it's good for beginners who do not know how to tie gele at all. You can actually lay your hands on this and you're going to do that in a jiffy. Okay, so guys, I'll be stopping here for today. Try to adjust. If you have a brooch, you can add it at the center of that cloth and it's gonna give you a beautiful look. So I'll be seeing my next video. Take care and